Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this braided ponytail wig. So without wasting more time, let's go straight into this tutorial. The first thing you need is your drawstring cap, and then you need your crochet hook and then your braid extension. I'm using color 1 and I cut the extension into 2, which is cut 2, and the hair is already pre-stretched. So right now I'm just going to start with crocheting the hair to the wig cap and then braid on it.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run.
For this braided wig I made, I used 1.5 pack of extension. Now it depends on what you want, and the length is quite long. I'm going to show you guys the length at the end of this video so you guys can see the length of this particular braided wig I made. Is really long and it is not full, so it was easy to carry and very lightweighted. But if you want something longer than this or more full than this one I have here, then you can go ahead to use like 2 pack or 2.5 pack. It just depends on what you want and how you like your wig to be. And if you want something that is kind of shorter, then 1 pack of braid extension should be okay for you. To make the braids really long, I added extension to it just to make it long, and after braiding I would just tie the tip just to make sure that it does not unravel, and then I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is to coil the tips. And for that method I just twist all of it and then dip it in hot water, and after which I just allow it to cool down and then unravel it. I did not allow it to dry completely before I unraveled it. It was still wet before I unraveled it. This is just to make sure that it does not scatter or have too much flyaways, because you want the coils to be as neat as possible.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this over.
Yeah, the wig combs I'll be sewing to this drawstring ponytail cap. This is just for extra hold, just to make sure that it does not fall off your head when you're wearing it or while it's still on your head, just to make sure it does not fall off. So you need two combs, one at the top and then one at the down, just so it's both sides and you're good to go. So this is it for this tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys how to install it, and that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this ponytail wig cap. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed already. I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, take care. Bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want